Hello guys, we're finally back after years from that FinalMouse review of that FinalMouse Ultralight Phantom review, and here we are. Looks like it's packaged from FinalMouse. I blurred out some info here. You can hear it slide back and forth. Like, I can tell this is my FinalMouse, so we're just going to tear this open. Hopefully my package was not damaged. I've seen a few Reddit posts saying theirs was damaged, and I really hope that mine was not damaged. I'm excited for this mouse, but darn, the service sucks a lot. Alright. Oh yeah. Ho 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 ho. FinalMouse Air58 Mystic Blue #1. And of course, since retail purposes, I got more than one. Here's another. And another one. And there's a receipt in here, but I'm not going to show that because you can't return mine. We're just going to open this front one right here that I saw first. Should probably try not to dent it very much. I'm only going to open this one. So, put that in the back. Alright, there's another cap, and then we raise it out as we reveal the mouse. Okay, so here we have a FinalMouse Air58 Ninja. So apparently got a few special things about this mouse. Once we open up the back of this, open it through the back, take out the mouse, and here it is, right here. Sensor, more holes on the bottom than the Phantom. I'm sure if you're watching this, you've already seen other better reviews or something. I have hyperglides here. I'm going to put them on later since I have extra. There's more holes on the side. And of course, the Phantom looks way better on top. And more holes, of course. And we're going to touch this. It feels exactly the same as the Phantom, actually. I've heard with the blue, you get you can wear out the coatings, so I'm gonna try and mod this later on, be on the lookout for that video, and I'm doing later once I get my CISA paracord. And the sensor seems actually takes up less space if you look closely. Here's the Phantom, here's the Air58, it's smaller in that area. Don't want to get that area damaged. And this haiku thing they have on the scroll wheels, it's tougher scrolls, very noticeably tougher scrolls. Everything feels slightly firmer, and I'll give us a quick sound test of these clicks. That's the left click. Here's the Phantom Ninja. right clicks on the Phantom, right clicks on the Air58. Scrolling on the Phantom. DPI button sound. DPI button sound on the Air58 Ninja. Same basically. Side buttons on the front side button on the Phantom. Front side button on the Ninja. Back on the Phantom. Back on the Air58. Yeah. And so apparently they improved, oh yeah, they improved this Phantom cord. I'll take that out. They improved the revolutionary Phantom cord, as they put it. If I just take this out. It also comes on a plastic cap that you can remove. Gold-plated USB. And, yep. That's basically all the differences I can remember, besides, of course, the obvious weight difference. And I'll see you on the next video once we turn the Air 58 into the Phantom 58. Bye.